Hi guys, today I'm going to talk about my Lab 2 lines of charge. So our purpose is similar to Lab 1. We're trying to observe the interaction between two U-tapes and the interaction between the U-tape and a neutral object such as a book, pen, or a hand. Also, we are trying to learn and compute the spread of charges across the tape evenly distributed. And we're trying to apply Newton's second law, which is the net force equals 0. So the procedure is same as Lab 1, making two charged U-tapes and observe the interaction, and make another U-tape and observe the interaction with other neutral objects. And charges may go away for leaving the U-tape too long, so we want to get it done as soon as possible. So four assumptions we're going to make is 1, the gravitational acceleration is equal to negative 9.81 meter per second square. And we're assuming the electric force is equal to the gravitational force. We're ignoring the air resistance. And we assume that two U-tapes have the same amount of charges. So for physics principles, we're going to use 1, the gravitational force equals mass times gravity. Second, the electric force is charge times the electric field of a tape. And we are applying the Coulomb's law, which is 1 over 4 pi epsilon 0 times charge over the magnitude r squared. And we're also applying the superposition, which is the net electric field is the sum of n electric fields. So the length of the tape was about 0.2 meters. The mass of a tape was 2 times 10 to the negative 4 kilograms. The floating distance was 0.04 meters. The gravitational force magnitude is 1.962 times 10 to the negative 3 newtons. And the electric force is same as the gravitational force. And then the estimated charge of a tape was 1.868 times 10 to the negative 8 coulombs. So this is the screenshot of the result. The yellow arrow is representing the gravitational force. The white arrow is representing the electric force. Red sphere is the tape on top, and the tape on the bottom is represented as a blue sphere, and the green arrows are the distributed electric forces. And these are the two main glow script functions we need to focus on. Number 1, the line charge function is creating the n uniformly distributed charges on a tape. And then the second function, which is representing the n uniformly distributed electric forces, which were referred as the green arrows. And my Lab 1 charge was 9.9 times 10 to the negative 7 coulombs. And my Lab 2 estimated charge was 1.8678 times 10 to the negative 8 coulombs, which is slightly off. And they're different maybe because the procedure was not performed the same way as Lab 1. And last question is, what if we model each of the tapes as a single point charge, and it wouldn't be different since the net electric field did not change. Thank you.